Hey everyone, so I am back doing my weekly expense, and this video should be really quick, you guys, because I did not have a lot of spending. I did really good. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my weekly expense strips. And I always say this, oh, I may only need one, but I honestly think I'm only going to need one because I think I only have 6 categories. And so let's see what we have there. So I am going to be using my weekly expense cash out strip. And what I do is I place this at the bottom because I settle out my expenses weekly. I place this here so that I could, and I'm messing it up. Y'all know I hate when I mess up putting these damn stickers in my book. Okay, so let's just pretend that's neat. It's neat. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is tally up so you guys can see on Instagram as well as YouTube, because I am multitasking because your girl is the shish kebab. All right, so my spend for this week was $12.32 plus $34.97 plus $9.78 plus 15 plus $15.54 plus $33.10 plus $17.98 plus $62.17 plus $5.75 plus 20 equals, yo, stop playing. My total spend was $226.61. I allotted $400 alone in my wallet to spend, so you guys already know I am under budget. Let me hear some hands clap for your girl. Okay, so let's see how much I spent in cash. $15, $20, $35. So I don't even need to use a calculator. That's how smart I am. I did that crap in my head. So $35 for cash. And let me make sure 15, 20, yes, 35. All right, so $226.61 minus 35 equals, so $191.61 is what I should have spent on my card. Now, you guys, I go back and forth all the time about I'm going to just spend cash. I'm going to use my card to get my cashback rewards. But when y'all see my cashback rewards amount monthly, it makes it irresistible for me to not use my credit card because I leverage my credit and budgeting and savings and cashback rewards. So, you guys, I don't know. I might have to go hard on my cashback rewards for 2024. So, anyway, let's add up all my credit card spending. So that's $12.32 plus $34.97 plus $9.78 plus $15.54 plus $33.10 plus $17.98 plus $62.17 plus $5.75 equals $191.61. Oops, not in green. I only write my cash spending in green. So $191.61. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is write my categories. So we know dining out, Jenna, y'all know Jin Boo, household. I just only want one strip straight up. Like I don't feel like having multiple strips. Car, miscellaneous, me. Yes, car, miscellaneous. You guys, is that it? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, sir. Okay. Next, I'm going to get my markers because y'all know I like to color code my expenses, but your girl has been so busy getting ready for Black Friday, preparing for new launches. So me money is in pink. Food is purple. I am getting to know my colors, y'all. Okay, so food is purple. So food. And then there's no food. Dine, Jenna, household, car, miscellaneous. I'm not putting another strip. I'm going to write food right here. That is so trifling. Y'all know my book. Got to stay pretty. Okay, food. So dining out is this color here. So dine, and then dine. I think Jenna has a, y'all, I keep hitting the darn thing. Jenna has, let's see. I don't have home maintenance, but I do have household. You know what? The heck with that. Okay, so let's see. No gas, luxury. Oh, I would have loved to spend some luxury. Gift, kids, HSA, household I need, and I need Jenna, and there's Jenna. Oh, I have car maintenance too. All right, so household, I only spent $9.78. Let me tell y'all how it was more than that, but I had a $15 credit. And then I had 10% off. I wound up spending $9.78. Jenna, she needed some cat food. So, and I only buy one specific cat food for her, or I notice she will shed. She will start acting cray-cray. So, okay, here's car maintenance. I don't think I have a miscellaneous, though. So, car maintenance. And let me see if I can find a... I don't think I have a blank one. Nope. I do have a blank one, but it's not over here. So, I am going to immediately put these back together because I hate when I'm doing my videos and I'm doing things and... yeah, I forget I'm on a reel. I'm going to have to cut this out for the reel because I forgot I'm doing a reel. But anyway, miscellaneous is miscellaneous. All right, so let's see what I spent in dining. $12.32 plus $15.54 plus 20 equals. So I spent $47.86. But only $27.86 has to be paid in back to the card. 20 was in cash. Okay, Jenna was $34.97. Household was $9.78. Real simple. Food, okay, $33.10 plus $17.98 plus $62.17 equals. Food was $113.25. Miscellaneous was, what was miscellaneous? $5. Okay. Miscellaneous was $5. It was cash, no need to pay that back. Car maintenance was $10. That was a tip at the car wash, no need to pay that back. And me money was $5.75. Y'all, cha-ching. When I say I have some rollover money, I have some rollover money. All right, so now what I need to do is go back to my wallet and pay myself back. Pay my credit card back, rather. All right, so me money, I need $6. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 155, 156, and I need $6. Okay, so then I am going to, first of all, try to get the damn envelope open. Okay, so I'm going to take, now my red pen comes into play. And whenever I pay anything back from a sinking fund or a cash envelope, I just write it in red how much I took from that category. All right, so now we need dining out. We need $28. So I have 30, but I'm going to get $2 change. So I'm going to do 28. Okay, and that's going to go there. And then what do we need? Household, we need $10. I skipped right over food, but I'll get to that. So I need $10 for household. I swear I brought, no, I didn't actually. So I need $10 for household. And food, I need $113.25. Let me put that 10 here. And let's see. I did so good this week, literally. So 50, 100, 120, 140, 150. So I'm going to take the 120. I'm not going to take 120. I'm going to get some change. But where can I get some change from? Give me a minute to figure out where I can get some change from. Let's see. Okay, well, let's go to my fun money binder. And let's see if we have change for a 20 in fun money. So we have 2 10s. We have 2 10s. We have 2 10s. Okay. So let me get the 2 10s. Okay, let's move this out the way. I need a 20. And I'm going to put the 2 10s into food. Okay. So that's a start. Wait, I can't count. You know, my biggest fear is I'm going to mix this money up. So, and you guys, these are my new binders coming to the shop. And these are the style envelopes they're going to be. And look at that. So crafty, so nice. So you can just Hold your binder. Aren't they cute? Love them. Y'all know I got to put a little different twist on it. Okay, so now I need change for, let's see, do I have change 2 5s? I have 2 5s? No, I don't. But now I need to get change for a 10. Okay, well, let's go back over here and see if I have 2 5s or something. So in it, do I have 2 5s? No. My money, do I have 2 5s? No, but it just took a 5. Tech, do I have 2 5s? Let's see. Why don't I have any 5? Oh, giveaway, I have some. All right, so giveaway, I need 2 5s. Oh, no. I could do a 5 and 5 1s and give away 5. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me count that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I'm going to put that 10 to the side there. And then I'm going to pull a 10 from food. Put it back into here and put it in giveaways and then get rid of this binder. Alrighty. I didn't put my dashboard in here, but it'll have a cute dashboard. Okay, so now that I have change, what did I need for food? 113. So I'm going to take the 50, the 10, 11, 12, 13. That's going to leave me with 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So that's going to leave me with $37. Not bad. Okay, so then I'm going to just pop that money there and put the rest back in food. I have a lot of rollovers. Now, since it's the end of the year, I am definitely going to keep my rollovers in my rollover envelope. But I want to give it a shot at stuffing these savings challenges. So we'll see how that goes. So food was 113. And what else? Oh, Jenna Boo. I have to, no, I'm not going to seal the money up. Okay. I'm not going to seal the money up. Alrighty. So that is it, you guys. And let me get Jenna. Where's Jin Boo? So Jenna has her own little sinking fund envelope, and let's see what she has in hers. So I need $35 from Jen. And she's starting to get a little cold. So I don't know. I might have to take her to the vet. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 190, 91, 92, 93. So I have $193 and I need 35. Oops. So I'm going to take that 40 and then give a 5 back. Where's the money? So here's the 40. I need a $5 bill. Don't have a 5? Yes. So I'm going to put the 40 and take the 5 because I needed $35. Now let me count Jenna again and see what we have left over. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 155, 56, 57, 58. So $158 is what I have left in Jen. And I took minus 35 and I have 158. So this is how I track any spending in my sinking funds. All right, so I should have a total of $191.92 going back to my card. And I am just going to write for Jen, I took 35. So let's see what I have. Let's count this money. Listen, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. You want to know what I know? I'm tired as crap. And people get mad when I say I'm tired, but I'm freaking human, goddammit. I have a right to be freaking tired. I don't know why people get so bent out of shape because I say I'm tired and I don't get sleep. Like, if that's what it is, that's what it is. Y'all be complaining. Oh, you complaining. Y'all are so weird. 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 91, 92, 93, 94. Why do I have 194 and I'm supposed to have 192? I took 6, 113, 10, 35, 28. Why do I have 113? Did I take more than I was supposed to? I don't know, but I only need 192. So I'm going to take $2 out because I only need 192. And I don't know where that money is going to go to. But I'll put it back in food. No. It doesn't matter. Maybe I overcounted for, nope, 15, that's 27, 27.86. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm going to take the $2 because I can't overpay the credit card. If it's not there, it's not there. Alrighty, so I'm going to put this in my back to bank. And you guys, I have a lot of rollover money. I have a lot of rollover money. Now I have to decide. For me money, I'm going to roll it back into me. I just need to have extra money, straight up. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to roll, instead of rolling my me money into luxury, I'm going to keep it right in its envelope. Okay, so I settled out my weekly expenses. So far, I have to pay back my Chase Freedom card, my Apple card, my Target, and my Amex Blue Cash Preferred. Between those 3 cards, I'm going to pay their balances, which will total $191.61. How do you manage your weekly expenses? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure y'all hit that follow, like, subscribe, whatever button it is. Stick with me, y'all. Bye.